story. Every color has a memory, and every beautiful thing I see always reminds me of you. Yeah. Walking through the garden light, thinking of you every night. Every flower blooming bright brings your love into my sight. Like a rose beneath the sun, our beautiful love has begun. Every petal, every tree carries memories of you and me. The fragrance floating in the air reminds me of the love we share. Every blossom reaching high feels like your smile beneath the sky. Like the ocean and the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Every moment feels so true. Every flower reminds me of you. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this precious love. Every color, every bloom brings your heart into the room. Every flower reminds me of you. Every dream and feeling too. Like a garden under the sun, our love keeps growing as one. Every flower reminds me of you. A love so beautiful and true. Through every season, every day, my heart will never fade away. Oh baby, you are my sweetest memory. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile shines like morning light, making every moment right. Your gentle heart, your loving way brings happiness into my day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around. Like a garden after rain, you bring beauty through my pain. Every flower that I see brings your love back to me. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Every flower reminds me of you. Every dream and feeling too. Like a garden under the sun, our love keeps growing as one. Every flower reminds me of you. A love so beautiful and true. Through every season, every day, my heart will never fade away. Listen, I know some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but Jah blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every rose and every tree shows the love you gave to me. Every sunset, every sky keeps your memory passing by. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because everywhere I go, your love is the flower I know. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. Petals falling, ocean years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always bloom inside of me. Every flower reminds me of you. The sweetest love I ever knew. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Every flower reminds me of feeling forever pure and true. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, every flower reminds me of you. Yeah. Some flowers bloom for a moment, but true love blooms forever. And every beautiful flower will always remind me of you. Lost in the waves of your love, listen me now. The ocean has a rhythm, the waves have a story, and my heart has found its place, lost forever in your love. Standing by the ocean blue, all I see reminds me of you. Every wave that touches the sand feels like your love holding my hand. The island breeze is calling my name, but nothing feels quite the same. Since the day you came my way, you brought sunshine to my days, like the moon reflecting on the sea. Your love shines so bright to me. Every heartbeat, every sound feels like paradise I found. I don't wanna drift away from the love that guides my way, like the tides that come and go. My heart will always know. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this endless love. Every wave, every tide keeps your love by my side. Lost in the waves of your love, a feeling sent from up above, like the ocean deep and wide. I found my peace right by your side. Lost in the waves of your love, a blessing I will always trust. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Oh baby, let me stay forever, lost in your love. Walking barefoot by the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile is my morning light, making every moment bright. Your gentle words, your loving way, bring happiness into my day. I don't need treasures from afar, you are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew is this beautiful love from you. Like a river to the ocean, you bring my heart emotion. Every moment that we share shows me how much you care. Hold me closer, stay with me. This is where I want to people search the world around for the love they haven't found, but God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every sunset by the sea brings your memory back to me. Every star that lights the night shows me everything is right. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, 'cause the love I found in you is forever strong and true, like the ocean waves that roll. Your love lives inside my soul, and wherever life may go, my heart will always know. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the seas. Ocean waves, island skies, forever love in your eyes. Two hearts, one dream, moving gently like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love is the ocean that carries me, lost in the waves of your love. A love more beautiful than enough. Through every moment, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Lost in the waves of your love, the greatest gift from up above. Like the endless ocean blue, my forever belongs to you. Forever, forever, I'm lost in the waves of your love. Yeah. Some waves carry memories, some waves carry dreams, but the greatest wave of all is the love that carries me to you. You bring colors into my life, yeah. Listen, me know, before you came, everything felt like a black and white picture. But your love brought back every color and made my world beautiful again. Before you came into my life, me was walking through the night, searching for a brighter day, waiting for love to find its way. Then you came like morning sun and showed me happiness had begun. With your smile and loving heart, you gave my world a brand new start. Every color in the sky feels brighter when you are nearby. Every flower, every tree shows the beauty you bring to me. Like a rainbow after rain, you took away my hidden pain. Every moment feels so new, because my world begins with you. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this amazing love. Every color, every light, you make my world feel so bright. You bring colors into my life, yeah. You turn my darkness into light. Like a rainbow in the sky, you make my heart feel alive. You bring colors into my life. With your love my beautiful colors. Walking with you by the shore, I don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my sweetest sound, the kind of love that stays around. Every touch and every smile makes my journey worthwhile. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love and art is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around. Like flowers opening to the sun, our beautiful story has begun. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, forever with you by my side. You bring colors into my life, yeah. You turn my darkness into light, like a rainbow in the sky. You make my heart feel alive. You bring colors into my life, yeah. With your love everything feels right. Every sunrise, every day, you paint happiness my way. Listen me now. Some people search the world around for the colors they haven't found, but God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every sunset paints your name, every flower does the same. Every ocean, every sky reminds me why you are mine. You brought beauty to my days, you showed me love in many ways. Now wherever I may go, your colors are the ones I know. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because the love you gave to me is the sweetest thing I see. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Oh, love is shining through the trees. Rainbow skies, ocean blue, every color comes from you to us. One dream, one love flowing like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you, every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. You are the colors living inside of me. You bring colors into my life, the reason everything feels bright. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. You bring colors into my life, the sweetest blessing in my eyes. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, you are my colors. You are my love, yeah. Some colors fade with time, but true love creates colors that last forever. And my world will always be beautiful because of you. Listen up. Every garden starts with a seed, every flower starts with care. And true love grows when two hearts choose to be there. When you came into my life, you brought beauty after strife, like a flower in the garden of my heart. You became the sweetest part. Every moment spent with you feels like morning coming true. Like a rose is reaching high underneath the island sky. Our love keeps growing strong, like a beautiful love song. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Every day I see it true. My heart keeps blooming with you. Oh, child, may give thanks above for this precious love. Every flower, every tree shows the love inside of me. The garden where our love grows, it is the sweetest place my heart knows. Like flowers dancing in the sun, our forever has begun. The garden where our love grows, where a beautiful feeling flows through every season, every year. I will always keep you near. Oh baby, our love keeps blooming forever. Walking with you by the shore, may keep loving you more and more. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is growing through the trees. Your smile is my morning light, making every moment bright. Your gentle heart and loving way bring happiness into my day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around. Like a seed beneath the ground, our love keeps growing all around. With patience, kindness and care, a beautiful garden we share. Hold my hand, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. The garden where our love grows, ooh, is the sweetest place my heart knows. Like flowers dancing in the sun, our forever has begun. The garden where our love grows, where a beautiful feeling flows through every season, every year. I will always keep you near. Listen now. Some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every flower has a story, every petal shines with glory. Like the garden after rain, your love washes away my pain. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because everywhere I go, your love is the flower I know. Every sunset, every sky shows the beauty in your eyes. And every day I understand love is growing in our hands. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel it breathe. Love is blooming through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. Like a garden, like a dream, our love flows like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you, every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Our love garden will always be the garden where our love grows, the place where my heart feels home. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. The garden where our love grows, will keep growing forever. Listen, me know some moments change a lifetime, some smiles change a heart. And the day I saw yours, I knew my forever had begun. From the first time you smiled at me, I felt a love so naturally, like the sunrise on the sea. You brought a new life to me. Before you came into my world, everything felt cold and blurred. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. Every laugh and every smile makes my journey worthwhile. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true, like a flower reaching high, growing underneath the sky. My heart finally found its way because of you today. Oh, child, we give thanks above for this precious love. Every sunrise, every day, your smile guides my way. My forever begins with your smile, a love that makes my heart worthwhile, like the waves that kiss the shore. I will love you more and more. My forever begins with your smile, a feeling that stays all the while. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh, baby, my forever starts with you. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile can brighten any day and chase the clouds away. Every word you softly say brings happiness my way. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around, like the ocean, calm and blue. My heart feels at peace with you. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand, through every season, through every time. Forever with you by my side. My forever begins with your smile, a love that makes my heart worthwhile, like the waves that kiss the shore. I will love you more and more. My forever begins with your smile, a feeling that stays all the while. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Listen, me know some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true, but God bless me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my favorite song, in your arms is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky with the love between you and I. No distance and no time could ever change this heart's mind, because the moment I found you, I found forever too. Like flowers beneath the sun, our beautiful journey has begun. Every chapter we create feels like love that cannot fade. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing true everything in yours started my forever. Listen and know, every heart has a rhythm, every love has a melody. And when two hearts beat together, they create a song that lasts forever. From the moment you came my way, you brought music to my days. Like the ocean meets the shore, I felt something I've never felt before. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. Every heartbeat, every sign feels like your heart belongs with mine. Like the island breeze, so sweet, our hearts move in perfect beat. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. No matter where this journey goes, one thing my heart always knows: the rhythm we share inside will forever be our guide. Oh Jah, we give thanks, oh God, for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every sound shows the love that we have found. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a melody that never falls apart. Like the waves beneath the sky, our love will never say goodbye. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a beautiful song right from the start. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so right. Oh baby, keep dancing with my heart forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my sweetest tune, shining underneath the moon. Every whisper that you say brings more happiness my way. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is your love always around. Like a song that never ends, you are my lover and my friend. Every moment that we share shows me true love is always there. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, forever with you by my side. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a melody that never falls apart. Like the waves beneath the sky, our love will never say goodbye. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a beautiful song right from the start. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so right. Listen me now, some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true. But Jah blessed me on the day when He sent you my way. Your heart speaks a language mine understands, a perfect love written by our hands. Every memory we create makes our bond become so great. Like flowers growing in the sun, our forever has begun. Every chapter, every page, our love becomes stronger with age. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the melodies. Two hearts beating, one sweet sound. Forever love is what we found. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Our hearts will dance eternally. The rhythm of true love and heart, a love that time can never tear apart. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. The rhythm of true love and heart, a song that had a perfect start to every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our rhythm will play love's beautiful song every day. Yeah. Some songs are heard by the ears, but the sweetest melodies are felt by the heart. And our hearts will always beat as one. Listening on. Sometimes the night feels long, sometimes the road feels hard, but one special love can become the light that guides the heart home. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a brighter way, waiting for a better day. Then you came like morning light, turning darkness into bright. With your smile and gentle care, I found hope waiting there. Every word you softly said takes my worries far away. Every touch and every smile makes my heart feel peace so wide. Like the moon across the sea, your love shines beautifully. Every shadow fades away because you brighten up my days. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this powerful love. Every star, every light shows your love, burning bright. Your love shines through my darkness, bringing hope into my heart. Like the moon that lights the ocean, you were there right from the start. Your love shines through my darkness, turning broken skies to blue. Every moment, every heartbeat leads my heart back to you. Oh, baby, you are my guiding light. Forever, walking with you by the shore, me don't need anything more. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my worries disappear. Your loving heart, your gentle way brings sunshine to my day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around. Like a flower listen me now. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true. But God blessed me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Every sunset, every night, you remind me life is bright. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the love you gave to me is the light that sets me free. Every chapter, every page shows a love that grows with age. Through the seasons we go through, I will always stand with you. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is shining through the trees. Moonlight dance, ocean wide, forever love by my side. Two hearts, one dream, flowing together like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love is brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah, 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 Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true. The brightest light will always be you. Your love shines through my darkness. A love that makes my spirit rise. Through the sunshine and the rain, you bring beauty to my life. Your love shines through my darkness, the greatest blessing I ever knew. Through every season, every year, my heart will always choose you. Forever, forever, you are my light, you are my love, yeah. Some nights may be dark, but true love always finds a way to shine. And my brightest light will always be you. Listen me now. Some people search the world looking for riches and gold, but the greatest treasure is not something you can buy. It's something you feel inside a loving heart. From the moment you came my way, you brought beauty to my days. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought new life into me. I was searching for something true, never knowing I would find you. A love so gentle, a love so rare, a heart so kind and full of care. Every smile you give to me feels like peace and harmony. Every word you softly say makes my worries fade away. Like a treasure buried deep, a love so precious I will keep. Every heartbeat tells me true, the greatest gift is loving you. Oh, Jah, me give thanks Your heart is my greatest treasure. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. I don't need diamonds in my hand or riches from another land, 'cause everything I ever need is the love you give to me. Your kindness shines like morning light, making every wrong feel right. Your gentle soul and loving way bring happiness into my day. Like an ocean calm and deep, your love is something I will keep. Through every season, every year, I will always hold you near. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. A treasure hidden in your heart is the reason I never want to part. More valuable than silver and gold, more beautiful than the stories told. The treasure hidden in your heart was a blessing right from the start. Every sunrise, every night, your love makes my world feel right. Listen and know, some people spend a lifetime searching for a love that's truly worth keeping. But God bless me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Every memory that we make is a treasure time can't take. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the love I found in you is forever strong and true. Like a flower beneath the sun, our beautiful story has begun. Every chapter, every page shows a love that grows with age. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze of it shining through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No gold, no diamond could ever compare to the treasure that you carry there. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my greatest treasure will always be you. The treasure hidden in your heart is the love that gave my life a start. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. The treasure hidden in your heart is a gift that time cannot part. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, my heart has found its treasure. Yeah. Some treasures shine with gold, some treasures shine with light, but the greatest treasure is a loving heart, and I found mine in you. Oh, listen me know, the ocean has no ending, the waves keep moving, and true love keeps flowing forever. just like the Caribbean Sea. Standing by the ocean blue, every wave reminds me of you. The gentle breeze, the island sky, feels like love between you and I. From the moment you came my way, you brought sunshine to my days. Like the river finds the sea, your love found its way to me. Every heartbeat, every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Every moment that we share shows me how much you care. Like the waves that kiss the shore, we keep loving you more and more, deep and endless, wild and free. Your love keeps flowing inside of me. Oh, Jah, may give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every tide, every wave shows the love that we have made. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, forever moving beautifully, like the ocean under the sky. Our love will never say goodbye. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, bringing peace and joy to me through every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near. Oh, baby, our love keeps flowing forever. Walking with you by the shore, me don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is growing through the trees. Your smile shines like morning light, making every moment bright. Your gentle heart and loving way bring happiness into my day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I know is the love you always show. Like the ocean deep and wide, I want you right here by my side. No storm, no wave, no passing time could ever change this heart of mine. Hold me close, stay with me, forever is where we should be. Through every storm, through every tide, I want you always by my side. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, forever moving beautifully, like the ocean under the sky. Our love will never say goodbye. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, bringing peace and joy to me through every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near. Listen, you know, some people search across the land for a love they can understand, but Jah blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every sunset, every wave, every memory that we save tells the story of a love blessed by heaven from above, like flowers blooming near the shore. Our love keeps growing more and more. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may be, your love keeps flowing back to me. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the seas, ocean blue, island sky. Forever love, you and I. Two hearts, one dream, flowing gently like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray change, but true love keeps flowing forever. And my heart will always flow back to you. Listen me now. Some beauty can be seen with the eyes, but the most precious beauty is the kind that lives inside the heart. And your soul shines brighter than anything. When you came into my life, you brought peace after the night, like a flower opening slow. You showed me a love I never knew, not just the smile upon your face, but the kindness that you always embrace. Every word and every way shows the beauty you display, like the ocean calm and deep. Your love is something I will keep. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Your heart carries a special light that makes every wrong feel right. And every day I come to see the beauty living inside you and me. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every sign shows your soul is close to mine. The beauty living inside your soul is the love that makes me whole, more precious than the stars above, more powerful than words of love. The beauty living inside your soul is the greatest treasure I know. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Oh baby, your soul is my paradise. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. I see the beauty in your care, in every moment that we share. Not because of what you show, but because of the love you grow. I don't need diamonds or gold, your gentle heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love, always around. Like a garden after rain, you bring sunshine through my pain. Every flower, every sky reminds me of the beauty in your eyes. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. The beauty living inside your soul is the love that makes me whole, more precious than the stars above, more powerful than words of love. The beauty living inside your soul is the greatest treasure I know. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Listen me now, some people search the world around for a beauty that can't be found, but Jah blessed me from the start when you gave me your loving heart. Your laughter is my sweetest song, in your arms is where I belong. Every memory we create shows a love that feels so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the beauty that I see lives forever inside of thee. the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. No flower, no star could ever compare, oh, to the beauty that you carry there. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your beautiful soul means everything to me. The beauty living inside your soul is the reason my heart feels all through the sunshine and the rain. I'll choose your love again and again. The beauty living inside your soul is the blessing I will always hold. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, the beauty I see will always be you. Yeah. Some beauty fades with time, but the beauty of a loving soul only grows brighter, and your soul will always shine.